So if your Magic Leap 2 isn't quite fitting correctly, there are a few things that we can do to optimize the fit. So on the device, there are two pieces that can be swapped out. The first is this forehead pad right here, and the second is this nose pad. And what we want to do first is to grab the fit kit from our box. It looks like this. And when we open it up, we will see that we provide you with 2 different forehead pads and 4 different nose pads. This is to accommodate for the different shapes and sizes of a person's face. And how you determine which one works the best for you is by running the custom fit app on the Magic Leap 2. And so it's right on the home menu, so you just have to click it and it'll tell you which ones work best for you. And so to actually swap out the pieces, first let's try removing the forehead pad. So you simply just grab it and you pull out like so. This is magnetic, and so it's pretty easy to snap on. So when we want a different one, let's just grab this and align it, and it'll just snap on like that. And to change out the nose piece, we don't want to grab it by the silicone part. We want to grab it by the hard plastic and just pull straight out. So we don't want to pull it down or sideways. We just want to remove it by pulling it straight out, grab a new nose piece, and we want to align this to the groove on the Magic Leap. And so then we insert it like so. All right, and now you have a Magic Leap 2 optimized for you.